We're back again with another fridge ball. Let's check it out. First item looks like something we don't have. It's yellow. It's turmeric shot. What? I don't know what it is. Turmeric. Oh, we got another pizza. But it might be... Oh yeah, just the old pepperoni pizza. Can't have enough of them. And... Ooh, this is something new. This might be... Oh, I thought it was honey, but it's... Kombucha. Kombucha. Yeah, kombucha, and it doesn't open. Ooh, this is shredded hash browns. That's a pretty good one. That'll go in my freezer. That'll go in the freezer. Fill the freezer.
Come on, ice.
This isn't ice because it's a... it's an old fish.
Oh.
Old fish in a styrofoam fish tray. Our magnet is a pizza.
I love it.
Oh no. Oh. This is Worcestershire sauce. It's Worcestershire. I don't know if it opens. It's gone, but that was Worcestershire sauce, and that's that ball.
Oh, we needed ice, baby.
We're gonna open more balls later. See you later.